Hello and welcome to this week's Unboxed, where I get my hands on anything and everything that comes in a box. I am Ocean Grace Daniel and I will be taking you through the process of unboxing. Thanks to the growing trend of sustainable living, most of us now opt for more sustainable and cleaner options. With this comes a brand called Heyday, which has its own range of sanitary napkins and panty liners and other products. Recently, Heyday launched a period care kit and it looks like this. It's a blue and yellow box. They started this off as a giveaway, but recently they also used it as a gift hamper for Diwali. So if you're looking at gifting your friend a period care kit, this is the perfect option. Shall we have a look inside? The box comes with 5 products. And it has a pamphlet mentioning the details of these products. When we look at the products, it has a box of sanitary napkins which are organic and eco-friendly, and these pads are made from fiber of corn and bamboo. In the care kit, this box contains 7 pads. Although the pads are called organic, I am not sure if the wrapper is, because it looks like the normal plastic wrapper that comes for a synthetic pad. It will decompose within 2 years of throwing it away. Next in the box is a panty liner, and there are 25 liners in this box. Liners are usually used for the days when you have a lighter flow. This can also be used for people who have a vaginal discharge and also bladder leaks. These are smaller than the usual pads and it also comes in these packets. Next in the box is a handmade soap by Ed and Nikki's. It is made of coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil and other vitamin E extracts. It's a very plain sort of soap and it does not have a very strong smell. On the soap is written Girl Boss. Next in the box is a candle. Now who doesn't like a candle? On the candle it's written breathe in, breathe out. So I think it's a customized candle for Heyday. It has a vanilla sort of scent and I think it's perfect for the time when you're relaxing. The last thing in this box is chamomile tea. Now chamomile tea is known as a relaxing tea and mostly people consume it at night so that they get excellent sleep. On the days of periods, I think most of us face a lot of stress and we have a lot of discomfort while sleeping. So I feel this tea is excellent for relaxing at the end of the day. Imagine sipping the tea, lighting a candle and relaxing after a stressful period. The chamomile tea is by Altum and it is customized for Heyday's period care kit. As you open the packet, there's a strong fragrance of the chamomile flower and it looks like this. One can see the dry chamomile flower through this netted infusion pouch. Let's see how it looks when we infuse it into the water. I think one mistake I made, I poured water first and then put the tea bag. Make sure you put the tea bag first and then pour the water because it's lightweight and there are chances that it wouldn't infuse properly. But give it at least 5 to 6 minutes for infusion and it will turn into a pale yellow color. By the looks of it, it doesn't look like a very strong chamomile tea. It has a very subtle taste, but the fragrance is very strong. Compared to the other chamomile teas that I've had, when you look at the strength, it is very light. It is not as strong as a normal chamomile tea. And if you look at the color also, it's very light. So we've covered everything in Heyday's period kit. And this is something I would like as a gift during my periods. That's all for this week's Unboxed. I'm gonna sip my tea and relax. What about you? Did you know that it takes 450 years for that it we have a lot of thanks to the